Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your account on office.com. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, just type in office.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of Microsoft Office. Now in order to sign in, simply click on the orange sign in button or the sign in button at the top right corner. After clicking on it, you will be taken into the login portal. Now you will be asked to enter your email address, your phone number or your Skype name. You can simply type in your email address and then click on the next button and then type in your password and click on sign in to sign into your account. Or you can also click on sign in options, and from there you can either use a security key, sign in with your GitHub account, or sign in to an organization. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your account on office.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.